JAD, why is your phone beside a heater and your hardware wallet inside an ice bucket? I am improving their temperatures. The internet said one should be hot and the other cold. See? Perfect temperatures. Hot does not mean physically warm. A hot wallet is software connected to the internet, such as a mobile or browser wallet. So the heater was unnecessary? Deeply unnecessary. Hot wallets are useful for frequent transactions, apps, swaps, and small everyday crypto activity. Basically, the wallet that leaves the house wearing running shoes. Internet access creates more exposure to phishing, malicious approvals, fake websites, compromised devices, and stolen recovery phrases. So convenient, but standing closer to the digital banana peel. A cold wallet keeps private keys offline. Hardware wallets usually approve transactions inside the device without exposing the keys. A tiny security guard that signs paperwork but never hands over the master key. Cold storage reduces online exposure and is often preferred for assets that do not need frequent movement. The crypto equivalent of putting the crown jewels somewhere without free Wi-Fi. A cold wallet can still fail through fake devices, careless backups, fraudulent transactions, physical loss, or user mistakes. So the vault is strong, but handing the combination to a stranger remains unpopular. Many users keep a smaller amount in a hot wallet and move longer-term holdings into cold storage. Pocket money in the front pocket, treasure chest away from my online shopping impulses. Choose based on purpose. Hot for convenience, cold for stronger isolation, and careful security practices for both. Remember, hot or cold, never serve your recovery phrase to anyone. Well, this is the part where I leave. I'm not paid for overtime, you know. Subscribe and goodbye.